Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to become a better trader or investor. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, nice move with Palantir, 39 cents. Up 1.8%. We closed at 22.10. Post-market, we seem to be off by 2 cents. So what we have here, so we have a green candle. That's always nice to see. We have a green candle. We have the bottom wick a little bit longer than the upper wick. So a little bit of a pressure up today. If we look at the bottom of the wick, we seem to be in line on this support here. So support that started May 11th. So basically we had a big run up to 27, then a pullback that came down higher than this low of 17. We are still in a bull trend. So we are in an overall bull trend. And now we have bounced on 21, bounced on 22, bounced on 21, bounced on 22.75. And now we seem to be bouncing a little bit higher. So the low of the day was 21.48. So we seem to be bouncing a little bit higher. So we seem to be respecting this move here. So that's the good news. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had this descending triangle that we broke out of. Then we went and rested on it. And now we seem to be really using that as support. Look at this. We use that as support, and maybe this should have been drawn a little bit better, like something like this, because it touched here and also here, and now we touched it here as support on July 30th and also today. So nice green candle on July 30th, but then we came down. But today, look at the volume here, 276,000 shares. So big purchase. There was a big purchase today, just like in Tesla for the past 3 days. Big purchase here, and it continued. It continued and just a bit of a pullback afterwards. Let me go back to the 1 hour chart again. Stochastic, not super high at 47. So that's a disappointing aspect. MACD crossed over bullish and DMI bearish. I think I want to do something like this. It's very possible that we come down a little bit. We can come down to 21.55, no problem. Stochastic is not super strong, so I think we could come back down. Going back to the daily chart, is inching higher at 32, slowly but surely. MACD crossed. Remember, MACD was even Steven on the 30th, was bullish on the 29th and also on the 28th. So really a crossing over period with MACD. So let's hope that this continues for a little while. We're going to see what happens. DMI is still very bearish in terms of the red line over the green line. So nice day for Palantir. Are we out of the woods yet? I don't think so. The earnings call is on August 12th. So maybe we are going to have a little bit of a run up until then, and then who knows what is going to happen. But I like to see this bounce basically from this support here. That's the main thing that happened today. Also, the MACD crossover is also a positive thing. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Join me every weekend by becoming a YouTube member of this channel. It's only $5 a month. $5 a month is nothing. And we do a weekly recap for Palantir and Tesla. We look at the technical analysis chart for the weekly chart. We are using the weekly chart to get a more overall zoomed out view of those two stocks, and it gives us interesting insight as to what can happen during the following week. So for $5 a month, you cannot miss that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.